Hello dear children, I'm Richa Raghuwanshi, your drawing and craft teacher, and I welcome you to the world of drawing once again. Okay, last time what we have done, we met through Spandan video only, and in that video I've discussed concept of colors with you a little bit, and then we have seen a new technique of coloring, right? The technique where we are coloring the picture with the help of lines only. Okay, so today again I'm here with one more drawing for you, and today we'll be practicing a little bit about drawing only. Okay, last time it was coloring, now we'll move on with drawing first. Okay, so which page you have to take out in your book? First of all, take out your book. Which book? Creative Art and Craft. Okay, and be ready with one rough copy, a pencil and a rubber. The pencil has to be properly sharpened. And open page number 24. Which page? 24. And name of the drawing is Object. Okay, object drawing. This is the name of the drawing where we are going to learn how to make different objects. And which objects are given over here? A bucket, a lampshade, table lamp actually, and one glass and one kettle, tea kettle. Okay, so these four things, these four objects we'll be learning how to draw. You're practicing for lines, na children? So, I want you now today to make these particular objects without the use of scale. Okay? We'll start with the easiest one. And the easiest one is, of course, not bucket. Neither bucket nor the table lamp or the tea kettle, but the easiest one is glass, right? So we'll be starting with glass. What you have to do is, you know how to make a triangle. So if I see, this is how we make a triangle. If I ask you to make a triangle upside down, how will you make? Upside down will be this. This is the normal one. This is the upside down one, right? So this is the thing only which we have to make, and we'll take reference from this thing only. But with the dotted lines only, we'll be making the triangle. Okay, because we are not going to make a triangle or cone over here. We'll be making a glass. So we'll take help from these lines. That's why we have drawn them. Okay. Now from here only I'm going to start and here. So I'll make a line first of all at the bottom which is small. Not too big but small one. Okay. And this point I'm going to match with this end of the line, and this point I'm going to match with this end of the line. Right? And then I'll draw this. See, I got the shape. So easy. Again I'll repeat for you. Okay. See. This is a triangle. Here I have made a sleeping dotted line. Okay. And from this top point and this top point I'm going to take a line and match it with this. I'll take a line and match it with this. Okay. And then I'll draw the dotted line from everywhere. Okay. Now instead of joining these two lines by making a simple straight sleeping line, what I'll be doing, I'll be taking a little curved line, little curved. Otherwise you won't be, if you make it like this, if the bottom of the glass is like this shape, will you be able to keep it straight on the table? Never. It will fall down. So you have to make it a little, just a little curved. Okay, it should not be exactly straight. Okay. Now what you have to do is from here and here, take 2 points, a little bit up here and a little bit up here, outside. Okay. See, outside this. We have taken 2 points. Okay. And now we'll be making a curved line from here to here. Clear? From here to here I have made a curved line. That's it only I have done till now. Okay. Now I leave some gap and then or let us make a dotted line and make a curved line out too. It should not be this much deep curve. Okay. I have made that line to show you how deep it is. First of all, the line should not be too big, otherwise it will start looking like the one which I have made just now. Okay. So you have to take a small line and then just a little curved line you have to take. Okay. And from here one straight line, from here one straight line, and leave the corners. Alright. So if you will take this line too big and then here a deep curve, will not be going to look like a glass. That's why I've shown you. Don't make that mistake. Okay. Make it like this only. Alright. Now inside it, from here you have to make a same line near to it. Okay. From this side near to it. And here it has to be a little bit curved, but the gap should be more from here. Here the gap is less, here the gap has to be more. You have to take a little more gap. Now this is a glass which is ready. Okay, so you have to make a glass like this for practicing. Okay, now we'll see the bucket. For the bucket, we'll take help from a rectangle. See, this is a rectangle. Dotted lines I have made. So what I'll be doing from here, I'll be taking a line little bit inside. Okay, from here also little bit inside. Not too much, otherwise the shape will look like a glass shape. Okay, so we need not to take it too much inside in our points inside. We have to take them a little bit in only. Again I'll show you. See, here and here. If I make a deep one here and here, it will look like this. Okay, which should not be the shape of the bucket. And from here again I'll match both the corners with the help of a little curved line, and at the end, at the bottom, I'll make 2 straight lines and 1 line here. Alright, now on the top what we'll do, from little bit outside, we'll take a line. From left to right, we'll take 1 line first and then 1 more line here near to it. Okay, and this line will go a little bit, write down U, English letter U, and then match it with this. Okay, and then inside this 1 more. Okay, now here we have to make a handle. How will we hold the bucket otherwise? So here make a circle first. Okay, then take a slant line, take 1 more and rub the portion of the circle here. Okay, so it will start looking like this. Now once you take it here outside, till here. Here you have to make a circle first. Alright, and from here take one line from the bottom, take one line from the top, just like this. One line from the bottom of the circle, one line from the top. Okay, and then match both of them, and then from here one line and two lines. Get it? So step by step try to make the bucket. Step by step you are going to make the bucket. Now let me start with the table lamp. Okay, I am going to make the table lamp. For table lamp we will be needing a triangle again, and remember we are going to start making it from the top itself. Okay, now here what we will do, here we will take a line over here. Don't touch this, but a little bit in down from the top, take a line, and from here match the line on both the corners, and then rub the dotted line. So you got the shape. Once you got the shape, match both of them with the help of a curved line, and the bottom also with the help of a curved line. Now what you have to do is you have to take a straight line down, so that first you will see the size of the, first let us see the size of the this pillar, whether it's right or not. It has to be straight. Okay, now once you're sure, take the line till here straight a little bit, then from here a little bit out, take this also out, and again take it back, again take it back. You can make this shape. This shape is the easiest one, because you have to take just one curve and then you have to make the circle over here, right? And now match the lines over here, both the lines. Get it? Match both the lines here, and then two slant lines here, and then match both of them. It is not complete as yet. To make it complete, what will we do? We'll take a line from here, and we'll take a line from here, and then we'll match both the lines with each other. Then from here straight line, on this side a straight line, and then we'll match both the lines also. So this is how your table lamp will be complete, step by step. So always take help from the dotted lines, and do not use scale. Again I'm repeating it. Keep on practicing for lines, but do not use scale. These shapes actually we are making with the help of triangle, and one shape we have made with the help of rectangle. So these geometric shapes you need to learn without the use of scale. Okay, they are very helpful. These are the basic shapes, children, and though we are starting with the drawing, I am going to take the easiest drawing till the next session also, the next video, and then we'll move on to little tough drawings. But these are the easiest ones. These are the simple line drawings, and here in these drawings you need not to fill color for now. Just keep on practicing for drawing. Make three glasses, 3 buckets. Each shape you have to make 3 times. 3 buckets, 3 glasses, 3 times you have to make the lamps, and 3 times this kettle. This is your work also. Okay, so let us make the kettle also, tea kettle. Now here again I am taking help from a triangle. So I'll be making first the dotted lines, triangle with the help of dotted Okay. Now what I'll be doing is I'll be making one line up. Okay. And from here what I'll do, I'll take the inside and then here. I'll take it in little bit and then with the help of curve line I'll take it here. Okay, and then I'll rub it. Rub the inner portion. And with the help of little curve, otherwise it will look like a surahi. Okay. Now from here one line, here English letter U. Okay. Then a curve line, little curve up. Okay. Now here this, so that we can keep it straight. Okay. Now here we have to make an outlet. Otherwise how will we pour tea from the kettle to the mug? Now here, first of all, see, this is the top point of this line. You have to start from near to the top first. Okay. From here, take the line up. Up till where? Up till here. And then take it down and leave some gap. Leave some gap and leave it here. First take it up, then take the curve and then make it slant till here. Again from little distance, again I'm taking it this way only, near to this only. I'm taking the line similar to that. Here I have made an ice cream ball, and here in this ice cream ball I have matched this line also. So what I have done, I have matched the line first to this point and then I made a ice cream bowl. Here an ice cream bowl I have made. Here this portion I have to remove a little bit because I want a design to appear over here. So here again I will make an ice cream bowl. Okay. So this is the tea kettle. Alright. This is the one which we have made taking help from a triangle. So you have seen with the help of a triangle, with the help of a rectangle, how many shapes we can make, and these are the simple shapes and these are the things which we are using in everyday life, right? Everybody is having one lamp at home, everybody is having a kettle at home, everybody is using a bucket, a glass. So you have to make all these shapes, remember, 3 times each. In your rough copy, keep practicing, stay happy, stay safe. God bless you, children.